Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to stop parental control on Oculus Quest 2, then this video is for you. So Meta has suggested you some features or options that you can follow to stop parental supervision. So to stop parental control, so using the Meta Horizon mobile app, so you have to open on your phone, open the Meta Horizon app, then tap on this three horizontal line button or the menu button at the top of your Horizon feed, then tap Family Center, where you can tap See Parent Dashboard, then tap the gear icon or the settings. Now tap on Disconnect from Parent, then review the reminders about any implications that may come from disconnecting your accounts from your parents. Now tap Disconnect and Confirm. So if you want to stop your parental control or parental supervision using the Family Center, then you have to go to the Family Center and log into your Meta account, then click on your parents account, then click disconnect from the parent's name that you have set for. So that's pretty much the two way that you can follow to stop the parental control on your Oculus Quest 2. So if you can stop it from by this Family Center platform or the Horizon mobile app, Meta Horizon mobile app, then it will also remove the parental control from your Oculus Meta Quest 2. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.